What is going on, y'all? It's your boy AJ. I am back again for another quick video, guys. And today, guys, I wanted to film this quick video because I stepped outside, I ran a couple errands, and while I was in Walmart running some errands, I actually ran across this oil, which is pretty interesting. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I wanted to make the video to see if any of you guys are using this oil, have used it. And it's called Valvoline Restore and Protect. And apparently this oil is pretty phenomenal. So I'll have to see what the hype is about. I don't really have a high mileage car, but for most cars that are either high mileage or are dealing with oil consumption issues, this is, I think, one of the best oils that you can probably try to use. So I'll probably test it out over the next couple oil changes and let you guys know what I notice from a blow-by standpoint, from just a a drivability standpoint, from just an overall oil quality and consumption standpoint as well. Right now I'm using Pennzoil Ultra 5W30, and yeah, I think if you just think of what makes this oil unique, most engine oils are just actually going to protect your engine, but allegedly this oil actually tries to clean it while you drive. So how does that actually work? Well, interestingly enough, while you're driving, usually inside your engine, you're driving and rummaging down the road, usually there's a lot of heat and combustion as you're driving, right? That's going to create a lot of carbon deposits, especially around your piston rings. So that's why a lot of people will do things like get walnut blasting. Walnut blasting is actually quite expensive. It's, I think, minimum like $300 in some cases, at the very minimum, to get rid of all that. But yes, over time, a lot of the gunk can stick to your rings, right? Which is going to do a couple things in most cases, especially for the 2012s, BH sedans, as well as any other cars that are even older that are just dealing with oil consumption. You're going to see an increase in oil consumption, right? You're going to go to the gas station, pop your hood, and you're going to pull out your dipstick and you're going to wonder why your oil's on L, right? Also, you may notice that there's a loss of efficiency, right? So you're noticing your mile per gallon going down as well, which is not good, right? So I think what makes Valvoline Restore and Protect pretty unique is that they say it's a detergent heavy synthetic oil, guys. So this oil pretty much uses advanced detergents and disprints, which are chemicals basically that are designed to do two things. One being that they actually break down deposits, right? So the additives, which are the detergents and disprints, loosen carbon and other gunk that's stuck on your pistons and rings. So it's definitely good for that. Would love to hear if anybody has any experience with this oil, or what your thoughts are on it. But yes, that's one thing that it does. And the second thing is that it actually holds your debris in suspension. So instead of clumping up and moving to different parts of your engine, the particles actually stay microscopic and they float in the oil until they get caught by the filter and then they're drained out, which is pretty nice, right? So it's not some type of harsh flush. It's just like a nice gradual cleaning over multiple oil changes. One thing that they also say is that they have a second layer, which is what they call liquid shield, and this is where there's a protective film that is left on the metal surface so that no deposits also stick relatively easily. So it's also giving you a little bit of a what's the word for it? They're giving you a little bit of a reassurance that there's not going to be a reoccurrence of the same buildup, which is nice. So just want to make a quick video, share it with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Is anybody using this oil? As I said, I'll have to try it myself, see what my quality of driving is like, what my mile per gallon is like, what my oil consumption's also looking like, and things like blow by. So yes, let me know what you think. I highly recommend it if you guys have a vehicle that is getting up there in mileage, 120K, 150K, 200K, 300 or 400K. Definitely check this oil out, guys. Hope this video helps you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and smash the red subscription button and hit the bell to notify when I drop more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.